everybody, and welcome back to Phrasal Verbs with Lewis. Shall we start off? Shall we get started? So that's the first one. To start off means to get started. And that wasn't even part of my plan. I wasn't even going to explain that as one of the phrasal verbs. But all of these verbs are going to include start. So I've already used one of them. Start off, meaning to start. The second one, that wasn't a very good start. Shall I start over? So to start over is to start again. Let's start over. Let's do it again. The next one is to start up. A startup, the noun of a company that has recently been created. So to start up a company is another way of saying to set up or create or found a company. And finally, our last one is very informal. It's quite colloquial from British English. And it's all about fighting and threatening. I'm going to start on you. Yeah? You starting on me? You starting on me? So to start on someone means to attack someone or to initiate, let's say, an argument or a fight. Let's recap and start over. Start on, to begin. Start over, start from the beginning. Start up, to create or set up. And start on someone is to initiate an argument. I hope you enjoyed these 3 phrasal verbs. And leave us a like, comment. You could even start on me if you want. See you later, guys. Bye.